90% of teams using Scrum are doing it completely wrong. One overlooked mistake silently kills productivity and morale. By the end of this video, you will never make it. It was week 6 of the project. 3 developers were building different features. None of them matched. The client was furious. The manager had no clue what went wrong. This happens every day in software teams. It happens because nobody uses a system. Scrum is that system. In the next 5 minutes, you will understand Scrum better than most working professionals. No jargon. No fluff. Just clarity. Most people think Scrum is a methodology. It is not. Scrum is a framework. A lightweight set of rules for teamwork. Jeff Sutherland created it in 1993. He borrowed the name from rugby. In rugby, a scrum is a tight team formation. Everyone pushes together toward one goal. That is exactly how Scrum works in software. Instead of planning everything for 6 months, you work in short bursts. Each burst is called a sprint. Sprints are usually 2 weeks long. You build something small but complete. Then you get feedback. Then you improve. Spotify uses Scrum. Amazon uses Scrum. Even the FBI used Scrum to rescue a failing project. It works because it replaces guessing with learning. Every Scrum team has exactly 3 roles. First, the product owner. This person decides what to build next. They talk to customers and stakeholders constantly. They maintain a prioritized list called the backlog. Think of them as the voice of the customer. Second, the Scrum Master. This person is not a manager. They are a coach. They remove obstacles blocking the team. They make sure Scrum rules are followed. A good Scrum Master protects the team from distractions. Third, the development team. These are the builders. Designers, developers, testers, everyone who does the work. The team is usually 5 to 9 people. No one assigns them tasks. They choose their own work from the backlog. This ownership is what makes Scrum powerful. 72% of high-performing teams report self-organization as the key factor. Each role has clear boundaries. No overlap. No confusion. Here is where Scrum comes alive. Everything happens inside a sprint. A sprint is a fixed time box. Usually 2 weeks. Never longer than 4. At the start, the team picks items from the backlog. They commit to finishing those items. During the sprint, no one changes the scope. This is critical. No surprise features. No last-minute additions. The team focuses completely on what they promised. At the end, they deliver working software. Not a plan. Not a document. Working software. Google runs hundreds of sprints every quarter. Each one produces something a user can actually touch. This rhythm creates predictability. Stakeholders know exactly when to expect results. The team knows exactly what to focus on. No chaos. Just flow. Scrum has 4 key meetings called ceremonies. First, sprint planning. The team meets at the start of each sprint. They decide what to build and how to build it. This meeting lasts about 2 hours. Second, the daily stand-up. Every morning. 15 minutes maximum. Each person answers 3 questions. What did I do yesterday? What will I do today? What is blocking me? No long discussions. No problem solving. Just fast updates. Third, the sprint review. At the end of the sprint, the team demonstrates what they built. Stakeholders give real feedback. This keeps the product on track. Fourth, the sprint retrospective. The team asks 3 things. What went well? What went badly? What can we improve? This is the secret weapon of Scrum. Teams that skip retrospectives stop growing. Jeff Sutherland says retrospectives alone can double a team's velocity. 4 meetings. That is all it takes to stay aligned. Now here is where beginners fail. Mistake 1, changing scope mid-sprint. The moment you add a surprise task, trust breaks. The team cannot plan if the rules keep changing. Mistake 2, treating the Scrum Master like a project manager. They do not assign tasks. They do not track timelines. They coach and they serve. Mistake 3, skipping the retrospective. 63% of Scrum teams skip it regularly. Those same teams report the lowest satisfaction scores. Mistake 4, making sprints too long. If your sprint is 4 weeks, feedback comes too late. Keep it to 2 weeks. Start tight. Stay disciplined. These mistakes seem small, but they are exactly why most teams say Scrum does not work. Scrum works. Bad habits do not. Here is what I want you to do right now. Open a blank document. Write down 3 columns. To do. In progress. Done. Pick one small project you are working on. Break it into 5 tasks. Move one task to in progress today. That is your first sprint. You do not need fancy software. You do not need anyone's permission. You just need to start. Scrum is not about perfection. It is about progress in small, honest steps. Start today. Not next Monday. Today. That's a wrap, thanks for watching. If this gave you one idea you can use today, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.